Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about why insurance matters in real estate investing. Real estate investing can be a powerful way to build wealth, but every property comes with risk. A house, apartment, or rental unit can face fire, storms, vandalism, accidents, tenant issues, legal claims, and unexpected damage. Because of that, insurance is not just an extra cost. It is protection for your property, your income, and your financial future. First, insurance protects your biggest asset. For many investors, the property is one of the most valuable things they own. If something unexpected happens, insurance can help repair or replace the damage instead of forcing the investor to pay everything out of pocket. Next, insurance protects your income. Rental properties depend on steady rent, but if the property becomes damaged or unlivable, rent may stop. With the right coverage, loss of rent insurance can help cover income while the property is being repaired. At the same time, insurance protects you personally. If someone gets injured on your property, liability insurance can help cover medical costs, legal fees, and possible claims. Without this protection, one accident could create a major financial problem. Then, insurance also keeps lenders happy. Many mortgage lenders require proper insurance before approving or continuing a loan. This is because the lender also wants the property protected from major loss. In addition, insurance supports long-term wealth protection. One policy today can prevent a huge financial loss tomorrow. So, instead of risking years of savings and profits, investors use insurance to make real estate risk more manageable. Now, let's look at why insurance matters in practical situations. The first reason is disaster protection. Insurance can cover damage from fire, storms, vandalism, explosions, and other unexpected events. These situations can happen suddenly, and the repair cost can be very high. Secondly, insurance covers liability claims. If a tenant, visitor, or worker gets hurt on your property, liability coverage can help pay for medical costs and legal expenses. This is especially important because lawsuits can become very expensive. Thirdly, insurance prevents financial disaster. Without insurance, one accident or major event can wipe out your savings, cash flow, and investment profit. So, insurance works like a financial shield when things go wrong. After that, insurance protects rental income. If the property becomes uninhabitable because of covered damage, loss of rent coverage can help you keep up with your mortgage and expenses while repairs are happening. Moreover, insurance builds tenant trust. Tenants feel safer when they know the property is insured and properly protected. A well-protected property also shows that the investor is serious and responsible. Next, insurance helps you meet legal and lender requirements. Depending on the location and loan type, certain insurance policies may be required. Having the right coverage can help you stay compliant and avoid problems with lenders or local rules. Finally, insurance gives peace of mind. Instead of worrying about every possible problem, investors can focus on managing and growing their real estate business. This does not remove all risk, but it makes risk easier to handle. Common types of insurance in real estate investing include property insurance, liability insurance, loss of rent insurance, landlord insurance, and flood insurance. However, every property is different, so investors should compare policies, understand what is covered, check what is excluded, and work with an insurance professional who understands real estate investing. So, the main lesson is simple. Insurance equals protection, peace of mind, and financial stability. Real estate investing has risks, but insurance turns many of those risks into manageable situations. Therefore, before buying or renting out any property, make sure the right insurance is in place. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.